Welcome to the Human Hacking Exhibit. Cybersecurity spends billions on firewalls. However, hackers target the unpatchable vulnerability. Hackers target you. Traditional hackers break digital windows. Social engineers, however, steal the house keys. They manipulate people to give up data. Social engineers exploit human nature and press 4 emotional buttons. They bypass your logical thinking. Fear bypasses logic. Urgency wakes the lizard brain, causing panic and stopping careful thought. Authority makes people follow instructions. Hackers often pretend to be a CEO or someone in charge. Greed exploits curiosity. Hackers offer free rewards and curiosity forces the click. Reciprocity exploits friendly behavior, where humans return small favors. The social engineer toolkit includes different types of attacks and mediums. Phishing is digital, often via fraudulent email. Vishing is voice, using spoofed phone calls. Smishing uses SMS and fake text messages. Tailgating and baiting are physical attacks. It is important to spot the invisible traps. This example shows an email claiming to be from a security team about an unauthorized login attempt, asking the user to click a link in 30 minutes to avoid data erasure. The anatomy of this phishing attack reveals several flaws: a typo-squatting email address, a generic salutation, a fear threat, a fake link, and a mismatched tone in the closing. Build the human firewall by changing your default setting. Stop using trust, but verify. Start using verify, then trust. The protection protocol includes 3 steps: slow down, go to source, and check the URL. Remember to never give out MFA codes or passwords. Skepticism removes the hacker's weapon. The next module will discuss how malware infects your system.